I don't want my mom to like say, "What the heck are you doing here?" Yeah, kitchen over here. And then.
So here's the main kitchen.
This is the best.
Kitchen,
Yeah.
dining table.
Mhm.
This is the best stuff right here, you said.
Yeah.
Whey protein.
Okay. Do you drink? Do you eat that?
I do.
Okay.
Here's a deck.
Okay. That's my dream.
A deck?
Yeah.
Oh, it's new. You guys remodeled it.
Yeah.
So you guys you cook
do this
like
summer.
BBQ thing.
Yeah, grill there.
Okay.
How does it look slanted to me?
It looks really nice.
Holy wait.
I love here.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's my dream house. I should have a big house like this. So big.
Waller's boat.
Mm-hmm. Do you take boat?
Yeah, there's a boat right there.
To where? Hudson?
Anywhere.
Okay. I'm fine. What's her name?
His name's Rusty.
Rusty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like Russ in the car.
Okay.
Yeah. Not going in there. Or there.
The bathroom's to the right.
So it's your room?
This is my room, I guess.
Why is it so dark? Because of the curtain? Oh, okay. Looks nice.
Yeah.
For what?
Playing fish.
Okay. And then why don't you change the coin to the bill?
I don't know.
Who drew that picture?
That
Okay.
was me.
You did?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's high school.
Wow, you're a promising student?
Yeah, stop, baby.
Are you promising?
I was.
No longer a student anymore. He's done his school.
I know, he will graduate.
He's one.
There's the fish and the duck.
Where's your
Oh,
diploma? Can I see it? How it looks like?
I think it's-
Oh, did you graduate Eau Claire, by the way? Why you have Eau Claire hat?
Oh, Claire, yes.
You
Claire.
UW Eau Claire. Oh, it looks like that?
That's my transcript.
Okay. That's how you graduate Eau Claire,
Mm-hmm.
not the stuff.
So, oh, I transferred.
He did too.
He did too. We did as the same thing.
You guys are betrayed.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So what was your major?
Marketing.
Marketing. Oh, okay. I'm interested in marketing, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like people's room.
It's not too late to switch.
So it's your parents' room.
Not too late to go to Eau Claire.
Okay, I see.
It's never too late. Well, you have only 2 classes left.
Yeah, only 2 classes left, so.
Yeah.
You take some more schooling, go back.
I know.
Stay in the U.S. for another 2 or 3 years.
Change major.
Heck yeah.
Change majors.
To the-
Would you do it?
Yeah, video production. So I edited YouTube all day.
There you go.
YouTube only.
Video for you know Josh stream.
Yeah. I'll continue when I close the door. So Rusty doesn't come down.
So Josh stream told me that video production is not about learning about editing YouTube stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like really making films about the movies and drama
Oh,
stuff.
I see.
Yeah, not like personal vlog stuff.
Interesting. I like, you up?
So second floor is like people's room, like your room, your sister's room, or your parents' room. Or
My sister's was to the right, but I guess it's not her room anymore. She
Where's
just
Jax?
moved out.
she doesn't come back
Same
here.
room as me.
Will you share?
We had bunk beds.
You really?
Uh
I didn't know that.
huh. He's getting ripped.